और इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको बता दें, कर्नाटक में कई सेंटर्स पर आज होने वाले कोरोना टीकाकरण में देरी हो रही है। देरी की वजह है कोविन ऐप का फेल होना। कोविन ऐप में वैक्सीन लेने पहुंचे लाभार्थियों का नाम ही नहीं है। कई सेंटर्स पर कोविन ऐप के क्रैश होने की भी खबर है। इस वजह से कई सेंटर्स ने आखिरी वक्त में वैक्सीनेशन प्रोग्राम को आज के लिए स्थगित कर दिया है। ये बड़ी खबर हम आपको बता रहे हैं। कोविन ऐप के क्रैश होने के बाद अस्पतालों ने बेंगलुरु सिविक बॉडी और स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय से संपर्क किया है। और इस खबर पर और ज्यादा जानकारी लेकर हमारी सहयोगी श्रीजा इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़े। जी श्रीजा, टेल अस मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट दैट।
Well, if you clearly remember, there were two dry runs that were carried out here in the state of Karnataka, and that particular two dry runs were carried out only to understand the entire feasibility and also the server as well. But once when the show really began, what we are witnessing right now is that the CoWIN app is crashing. That is one of the reasons what we understand at several centers in the state of Karnataka. The vaccination which was scheduled today got cancelled, but I'm right now at Manipal Hospital here in Malleshwaram. Now, the vaccination was set to begin at 9 a.m. and now we clearly see there has been a 1 hour of delay. It was only about 20 minutes ago they received the vaccine carrier, and what we also understand from the people over here, especially the officials, what they tell us is that the reasons for the delay was also one, the vaccine carriers hadn't reached the location. Second most important thing, nearly 100 of the beneficiaries are on the list, that is from the doctors to the nurses who will be vaccinated today. But however, we understand that remember, just on Saturday when the first day of the vaccination began, on Friday night, the beneficiaries received the message saying that they will be vaccinated on Saturday. But today what we understand is that even until about this, even at this particular moment, we understand the beneficiaries have not received the message at all. Now, out of 100 beneficiaries, only one nurse has received the message. But we understand from the Manipal Hospital over here, the director, he tells us is that they are continuing the vaccination drive uninterrupted. But we will understand how is that going on. Well, thank you, Pramod, for joining us. Can you tell us, we understand there has been a delay. You all were supposed to start at 9 a.m. What really was the delay, and why did the vaccine carrier reach you all nearly just about 20 minutes ago?
I think it's more of the technical glitches that the authorities had to face in this particular situation. The CoWIN application, which is supposed to be, live. I think there were some issues related to that. That's why we were asked to keep things on hold, and that's how the vaccine arrived.
So you had sent out a list of nearly 100 beneficiaries from your hospital. Out of that, how many have received the message so far?
Now, we have sent the list of all the employees that who are working with us, and we were told that the first 100 is supposed to be covered on day one, in the phase one right now. So in the SMS, I'm still getting information from the team. As of now, the one person who has confirmed that she has received an SMS, and we're just checking with others if they have, maybe I'm seeing during the course of the day, they should be receiving the SMS.
Okay, can you also tell us that you were telling us that you're maintaining the record manually. Can you show us how is that done, despite the beneficiaries not receiving the message, and you're going ahead with the vaccination? Can you show us that entirely?
Yes. So what's happening is that we have a list of people that we have shared. So according to that, we have called them for vaccination today, and this is the list that we are being maintaining. Can I just have a look? So there is a manual record right now that we are maintaining. There are relevant details that are required to be filled. The same thing will be uploaded in the CoWIN app later part of the day.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is by the end of the day, you will be uploading the details of those beneficiaries who have got vaccinated.
Yes.
Also, can you tell us about what was the information or the communication that you got from the BBMP in terms of delay? Because this is the first day of vaccination for you all.
Yes. No, we have received the information that there is a technical glitch in the app mainly. So all the list of beneficiaries is supposed to be there, only then we can start the process.
Okay.
So I think that's what they were trying to sort out, and that's where is the delay, is what I understand.
All right. Thank you, Pramod, for joining us. Well, that's what you hear from the director over here at Manipal Hospital. Not just that, but we have also received a confirmed information from Yelahanka Government Hospital. Their vaccination was scheduled for today, but it has been cancelled. We also hear from the National Health Mission Managing Director confirming to Mirror Now, saying that the vaccination has been planned for now for at least about 750 150 centers. But what we understand right now is that they still do not have the list of beneficiaries as to how many will be vaccinated. Only reason being CoWIN app is crashing. And of course, sources from the Health Ministry also tells us that the server issue has already been fixed. But what we just did show you is that the hospital right now is maintaining record manually. Now, also if I could go across to Dr. Anand. Now, he is the first beneficiary orthopedician here at this hospital who just got vaccinated. Also remember, he hasn't received the message. Well, thank you, doctor, for joining us. Your name was also featured in the list, but have you received the message?
I haven't received the message still.
Haven't received. So how long before have you got vaccinated?
About 15 minutes back I got vaccinated.
Okay.
And I'm doing quite good so far. I'm not expecting any problem also. I fully trust our scientists and our vaccination and Indian-made vaccination. And I appeal everybody to go for it. I thank the government for giving the first chance to the healthcare workers. And I want all the whole population of India to get vaccinated. Today is a day to be marked with golden letter because this is the final fight against the COVID.
Right.
So I'm very happy about it. And I apart from the vaccine, I want them to follow the SMS policy.
Got it.
That is the safe distancing, the masking and sanitization.
Sure.
Those three have to be continued for the rest of the year.
All right. Thank you, doctor. Well, remember, even also just one person receiving the message, what we hear at this hospital is that all the 100 beneficiaries where their list was maintained, they will continue to get vaccinated, and by the end of the day, their names will once again be uploaded to CoWIN app if no glitches are reported. Back to you.
राइट श्रीजा, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया ये जानकारी हम तक पहुंचाने के लिए। तो जिस तरीके से हमारे सहयोगी श्रीजा बता रही थी कि जो कोविन ऐप है वो क्रैश हो गया कई जगह, जिसकी वजह से जो कोरोना का टीकाकरण है उसमें देरी हो रही है।